If life feels messy right now, honestly, that's not a bad thing. It usually means something in you knows it's time for a change. And listen, you don't need some perfect plan to restart your life. You don't need a burst of motivation. And you definitely don't need to wait for the right moment, because that moment almost never shows up. Most people stay stuck because they think change has to be huge. Like everything needs to flip overnight. It doesn't. You just need 10 minutes. And 3 small moves, simple ones, that slowly get your momentum back. Alright, first step, keep this simple. Clear the space right in front of you. Not the whole house. Not every drawer or cupboard. Just the surface you're looking at right now. Because here's the thing, your environment messes with your energy more than you think. Clutter adds stress. It pulls your attention everywhere. It drains you. And the moment you remove the mess in front of you, your mind starts to slow down. Clarity doesn't come from thinking harder. It comes from creating a bit of order. Second step, reset your body. Your mind can't calm down if your body still thinks it's under pressure. That's why breathing matters. Slow it down. Breathe in, nice and deep. Then breathe all the way out. Do that a few times. In less than 2 minutes, your nervous system starts to shift. You move out of tension and back into control. This isn't about trying to relax. It's about regulation. Breathing is the fastest way to take control of how you feel. Now this is where momentum really starts. Remove one source of noise. Mute one group chat. Delete one app you don't actually need. Turn off notifications that keep pulling at you. Your phone has way more control over your focus than you realize. And most of the time, it's draining you in the background. When you lower the noise, your mind finally has space to work again. One small digital decision can change the rest of your day. Here's why this works. Resetting your life isn't about some big breakthrough moment. It's about small actions that stack and create momentum. Clear your space. Reset your body. Remove one source of noise. These don't just make you feel better. They give you control back. And if you're starting your Reset and Grow journey today, comment reset and hit like. That's your first small action. In the next video, I'll show you why staying focused feels so hard and the one simple shift that fixes your attention fast.